Illustration sum number 11 கவனிங்க. Raja, Roja, Pooja are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:5:3. Roja retires from the firm. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Listen, Raja, Roja, Pooja, three are partners in the partnership firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 4:5:3. Among the three, Roja is retired from the partnership firm. So, calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. So, what is the new and gaining ratio? What is the new profit sharing ratio? 4:3. Because Roja is retired from the partnership firm. Remaining Raja and Pooja continuing partner, their new profit sharing ratio is 4:3. Okay. Their gaining ratio. Why? Because the rest of the partners, continuing partners, Raja and Pooja, not taken retail partners share. So for that, the same old profit sharing ratio will be continued as the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio. So the new profit sharing ratio is 4:3 and the gaining ratio also 4:3. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you. Listen, illustration 11 கவனிங்க.